cabin drills. The cab drills help the student set the vehicle up so they feel safe and comfortable. Position your seat so you can hold the clutch while maintaining a slight bend in the knee. Adjust your backrest to align your wrists with the steering wheel, with a slight bend in your arms. Your rear view mirror should show the whole back window. Starting with the driver's side, position your side mirrors. 10% of your view should show the side of your vehicle. Your surroundings are reflected in the other 90%. Always remember your seatbelt.